This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where we want to educate you about our market, empower you to make wise decisions, and help you engage with our expert contributors. Leilani, I wanted to talk to you about when people come to me, I often get this question, hey, what kind of a loan should I get? And I'm a realtor. And if I even try to answer that question, I'm going to get in trouble. So like I said before, I know just enough about mortgages to be dangerous, but I don't do loans. But why is it important early on in the process, maybe even before you're thinking about buying a home, to get with a loan officer? Why is that important?
Well, and when you want to go out and budget for something, or when you want to see where your credit falls in line, you go to the right people, right, to ask. Mm-hmm. I think in what we do at Southern Fidelity Mortgage or any other loan officer that's out there is we want to make sure that that borrower is eligible to qualify. And there are so many different programs that are out there that they don't know about.
Right.
That it's a really good idea for them to start at that point.
A lot of times buyers, and this is one of the reasons we do the radio show, a lot of times buyers don't realize how little money they really need to purchase a home. I mean, you don't have to have 20% down.
Nope.
You don't need that. You can do it. You can do it as little as 3% down.
Right.
You do have closing costs still, and sometimes we get the seller to help with that, but sometimes we can't. And that's usually about another 3% or so. Mm-hmm. So you could buy a home for 6.5% of the price. The cool thing about meeting with Leilani, guys, is this: you can meet with her and establish a plan. Even if you're not ready to buy right now, establish a plan so you will be ready to buy. And when that time comes, say your lease is up in 6 months. Get with the lender now. Mm-hmm. Don't wait until you're 5 months out and you're right there on top of it. Hey, let's go get the mortgage and go find a house. Do it now. Get prepared for it. And then maybe Leilani's going to tell you things to do to improve your credit. Maybe your credit's still okay even, but maybe there's some things you can do to improve it.
Right.
And that's something you'll help them with.
Absolutely. And I advise the clients that I meet with to set up a Credit Karma account. It's free. But know that those credit scores that you see on Credit Karma aren't going to be the scores that creditors pull.
We've heard this before. So yes. The FICO score that they get on theirs is not the same FICO score you get.
Correct.
It's different.
Is there a difference?
There is. If you click on to the reporting bureau scores that Credit Karma or Credit Sesame has, they use what's called a Vantage Point score module. They just look at the consumer's history, their utilization of credit, how much they've spent, the length of time that they've had their credit, but it's not the establishment of credit. So that's why our scores that we pull are different.
The other thing that happens when you're thinking about, and when you said it before, there are programs out there for people that they may not be aware of, like, for instance, down payment assistance programs. We talked
Absolutely.
about, I just said, hey, maybe you need 6.5% to buy a home, but you don't even need that much, actually, if you get down payment assistance.
Correct.
And there's programs out there right now, isn't there?
Yes. The Home is Possible, Home at Last programs with Nevada Housing Division and Nevada Rural. Those are some great incentive programs for consumers, first-time home buyers. Mm-hmm. There's a program that's just coming out. I know nothing about it yet, not until it breaks. So more to come.
Okay, and you got the one for teachers, too.
We have the one for teachers that it's extended again. So luckily for teachers, full-time school teachers in Clark County can go for the teachers program, part of the Nevada Housing Division. So the teachers program is a little different from that it is a 5 years forgivable second. So they take $7,500. That $7,500 is given for the down payment and or closing costs, and that has a 5-year.
So long as you live in the house for 5 years, you're not paying it back.
Correct.
Okay.
Or refinancing it, so you can't refinance it unless you pay a portion of that back to Nevada Housing. But after that 5 years,
that's a
good chunk.
That's a nice deal, especially for teachers.
Yes, absolutely.
This has been Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Thanks for listening. And remember to tune in every Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. on 101.5 FM, 720 a.m. KDWN.